Oh, and by the way, like Steph, watch out on SOS today. There's a lot of rumor about pumping, but it's like a thing like it's how do I say it? It's meme level, but like all the Facebook groups.
Was definitely, but it closed at 449, 450.
Right now it's up at $6 nearly.
Yeah, so it went up $1.50 after hours.
Yeah, there's a lot of rumors strong about people like running it up today.
I wonder if I should grab some just to see if there's a ride involved.
I don't know. I really don't know. This could be one where they're sticking a bunch of people in the $5 range because they're in the fours. I like the name of one of these ones on the top list today, Astrotech. Sounds cool.
I think we missed the, might have missed the boat with that.
Which one, SOS?
Yeah.
Yeah. I also saw one come across my list, and it's like when like CTRM was like on our Robinhood group, you know, it was like it kind of just was talked about then. This one kind of came across me is SONN, Sonnet Biopharmaceutics. That one had me because it got just the right amount of attention, but I don't know if I'd invest by just that. But then again, we've seen Eyes and all these other ones do stupid crap, so just talking out loud.
They were pushing eyes. Some.
Yeah, I think there was something yesterday.
Yeah. It went.
Yeah, I think there was something yesterday.
Yeah. 765 up to 7.
Yeah.
765 up.
Morning.
Morning there. How you doing?
Good. How about you?
I'm doing alright, doing alright. Did you see that there's a new free equity chart?
I know. I saw that. It looks pretty solid.
Thank you, thank you. I'm excited for this chart. Should be good.
Yeah, dude. Should be pretty solid. I was looking at Viacom today. I think finally the sell-off is done. You gonna stick to free equity trading now?
Oh, no. I want it to be, again, just passive thing that I have rolling every single day. But I want to just be taking a lot more cash now, mostly moving to New York. Gonna be broke as fuck.
You'll be fine, dude.
Hopefully.
Anything you're looking at in particular today?
Yeah, I was looking at BAC. I'm very excited for that to be the first new free equity trade.
Yeah, pretty solid.
Yeah, markets aren't looking too hot right now, but you know how it is with pre-market and current conditions. You can't say anything for the trading day ahead. You can open stupid green and red. Open stupid red and green. Or in most scenarios, just end black.
Yeah, I'm not too worried at all.
Yeah, I'm just holding my AMD now. I have some capital that I can start just move, roll positions, all that fun stuff again, which will be nice.
Yeah, you were over allocated for a bit. I was a little worried about you.
Yeah, it was bad with Ford, but I got out 100%. I'm calling it a day. Got my liquidity back. Now I can enjoy the markets again.
Nice.
5 minutes still open. 5 minutes still open.
Man, it's been so quiet in here lately.
Yeah, markets have just been stupid slow for everybody. And you know how that is for just everyone on the market. Everyone's a little discouraged, just chilling, not wanting to trade, do much. I mean, hell, Corp even made Wall Street Journal for saying exactly that.
Yep, he's right. I also was thinking Will wasn't in here, so it's quieter. Nothing against him.
He'll be back, but yeah, literally just wait until the summer when, you know, people aren't caring about school anymore. People are out enjoying their time, trading. He'll be.
People need the summer to not care about school?
Okay, fair. It's like, Mike doesn't care about school, but he still has to do school shit.
Neither does Spec. I might go in on free equity with you.
Hell yeah, which company are you looking at?
Looking at KO.
KO's not looking that good for today, so just be careful.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing too. I want to see how things react at open. I'll follow John today. If he says buy 100 spy puts, I'll buy 100 spy.
God. We got 15 seconds till open. Good luck today, everybody.
Spy's trying to push.
Yep. Will be exciting. It shall be exciting.
Yeah, let's see if it can break through 5-minute resistance.
Hell yeah, that's open. Good luck today, boys.
Big surprise, AMD is opening down.
Volunteers taking a crap.
Do you know it's one thing I've noticed there?
What's that?
Do you remember back a couple months ago when there was a stupid high volume of traders that TD would lag at open? And
Yeah,
now
I
we don't
remember that.
have any of those issues anymore?
Yep, because the last month or two has flushed out all those traders.
Hell
Yep,
yeah.
Robinhood's the same way, by the way.
Oh, damn, I only grabbed 100 back on that dip. I didn't know if it was going to keep dipping.
Damn, CCIV. Holy hell. We don't talk about Palantir anymore. Palantir is AMD Junior. Just tanks.
Oh, look, TIV. Which some
Hey, I FOMO'd a second 100 BAC.
not a bad deal.
Probably doing you pretty good right now.
Yeah, I wish I
Alright.
grabbed the full 1,000 though.
You
Oh well.
grabbed 100?
I'm in 200 now, so I grabbed 100 initially because I didn't know if it was going to keep dipping. And then it started to move up.
By top of VWAP, right at 5-minute resistance. Alan, what do you think about Viacom?
That's CBS, right?
Yeah, VIAC.
I like the organization. They're a large conglomerate. I don't think that they're going to fail. I don't think that they are the premier organization that you should be investing in, though.
No, not at all. I was thinking about swinging them because they've been down so much.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too. But you gotta remember, there's a reason why they're down there.
Well, nothing fundamentally. They were all related to the whole margin call.
Really? So that's the reason they're down? Not anything they did organizationally?
That's my understanding, them and Discovery.
Oh, then fuck yeah. Go light or go CSP.
Yeah, I'm watching them today. They're up just a little bit, but they're down like 50% overall.
Man, I wish I went a lot heavier on BAC. Oh well. Did you grab that KO free equity this morning, Air? That should be doing nice.
No, I didn't. I watched Viacom. Wow, AMD is coming down.
Yep, literally, I was just about to say, as expected, AMD is coming down.
AMD's coming down, Tesla's coming down. And good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Realtor.
Morning.
Back is at 40 resistance.
So, Alan, were you playing Bank of America for a day trade?
Yep, free equity trade. I just made a brand new list.
Cool. I wish I was a few minutes early so I could have jumped in on that, but
Oh well, next time. It's not like this is the last trade we're gonna have. But yeah,
true. I did good yesterday, so I'll sit today on hands.
Yep. You had a beautiful day yesterday.
Yep. I'm just wondering when I can have another good day. So I'm doing all my due diligence looking for the future.
I sold half my back to secure profits. I still have that free equity. And now I've guaranteed that free equity on back. Cool. First free share.
So I was doing some digging on GM because I'm going to see how far they dip, and I'm probably going to buy back into them again today. I'm not going to go as heavy because I don't want to do that gamble again like I did yesterday. But there's a lot of chatter about GM and Apple maybe partnering.
Really? For a car?
I don't know. Is this saying that they're in talks and stuff like that? So I mean, you know, they didn't go with those other companies, and GM's looking to go heavy into EVs. I mean, it kind of makes sense in reality.
I'd be careful about that because Apple usually, you know, puts a cap on all of these things. Like, they have a lot of NDAs, and they don't, like, usually chatter doesn't mean anything with them.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. I said it's just chatter. I'm not that type of gambler that would gamble that. Like, I would wait for more. Like, I think the EV sector with GM is a good thing with the infrastructure plan. That's why I think it's a good deal on that. But if it does come to fruition in the future, I'm just really curious. I'm more curious about what they would design.
I think that's just icing on the cake, to be honest with you. I think they're solid without the rumor, and if they get it, then it's even better.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. SOS is running.
Running down at this very moment.
Buy is green for the day.
Can't find anything fun. Anybody see anything potential?
I was up late last night. I didn't find anything that tickled my fancy for today.
Yeah.
I'm in 600T for a free equity trade.
SOS coming back down. I don't want to day trade this if it bounces back.
Looks like it's going to go a little farther down.
Yeah, I'm not able to really pick up on much on these charts right now. Still at 70 fucking RSI.
I think SOS will drop down to right at least 520s.
Looks like it's doing some consolidation action right here in the 1 minute.
A lot of movement with that after hours. Almost $2 there.
Okay, so first thing I've noticed on this new free equity chart, we probably got to get rid of H&R Block and PNG.
Yeah, SOS is fuck that. I'm putting my attention elsewhere right now. Someone have a very loud clock. Old school clock in the background.
Is that Timpo?
I don't know.
I think he's open micing just a little bit. You know, if it bothers you, it's like very slight.
No, it doesn't bother me at fucking all. It's fine. Just commenting. TH.
You know what bothers me? The fact that Krispy Kreme was out of those Oreo donuts this morning.
Ooh, that's a rip. Okay, you guys might need to fight me on this, but Krispy Kreme original glazed donuts are the best donuts that they have.
No, their blueberry ones are good.
I like the original glazed and the chocolate cream filled with the Krispy Kreme cream in it.
Oh, like all of the donuts there are freaking amazing. But just like hands down, like a freshly made glazed donut from there, oh, that sounds bomb.
Hey, Alan, did you ever go to Lamar's Donuts when you lived in Missouri?
Lamar's Donuts?
Yeah, it's like a KC, like Missouri chain, Kansas, Missouri chain.
I've never heard of them. It's looking like it's more your area than mine.
Oh, their stuff was good too.
Yeah, Air, I'm looking at the Lamar's right now. All over KC. There's like 10 of them. But then nowhere else in Missouri.
Ah, damn, gotcha.
Yeah.
Their stuff is pretty good.
Have you been to Columbia?
I've been through Columbia. No one goes to Columbia.
Gotcha. Dude, if you were ever in Columbia at the same time as me, there's a burger place that we have to go to, man.
When do you ever go back to Columbia, though?
So, I think I'm gonna go back sometime in the fall to speak. And then other than that, probably never.
So let me know, because I might go back with my wife to visit her family, and I'll take any excuse to get out.
Hell yeah. But man, so the burger shop that I'm talking about is a very, very stupidly niche burger, right? They have the title of the world's best slider, or best cheeseburger served on wax paper. They've been open for like 120 years at this point. They don't have an actual kitchen at that bar. It's just a little flat top grill. Takes you 20 minutes and you hate the bar. They treat you like shit. But the burgers are so freaking good, man.
Hey, I'm used to Asian places, so I don't mind the crap service. As long as they give me crap and they can take it back, I'm all good for it.
But yeah, Air, I just posted a link in the exclusive room for you.
Here comes AMD. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, everything just kind of retraced. Pen went from lower VWAP to upper VWAP.
For me, it's hard to find a really good burger. Like, my wife makes them really good. But most of the places, it's hard to really elevate one.
Yeah, it's really hard to elevate it, I agree. But it is also, at the same time, very hard to not make a bad one, you know? Or not very hard to make a good one.
It's very easy to make a bad one, though.
Yeah, just go to McDonald's.
I call that a piece of cardboard between a bun.
I was so mad. I went and got McDonald's last night, and I was so pissed because I'm so used to eating McDonald's in like Spain and Japan, and it was such a hard letdown. Now the fries are still amazing, no matter where you go in the world, but the burgers are just a huge letdown.
I mean, you're going to McDonald's for a burger.
I know, but Alan, in Japan, you went to McDonald's for a burger, and it tasted so good. It looked like when you open up the box, it looks exactly like the picture, and mine were like smushed down. It was just horrible.
But the thing is they value food in these other places. I mean, no offense to anyone who, I'm not trying to talk anyone down, but the thing is like, in a lot of these other places, they view it as more of a luxury food, not fast food like we value it here.
Yeah, and plus, let me tell you all a story about McDonald's. I was so mad when I went to Germany. They actually have the McRib there on the menu. So I emailed McDonald's to be like, WTF, mate, like, what's going on? Why don't we have this on our... And they said, well, it's a specialty thing. I said, well, can I get it on? So they sent me a voucher for like 20 free McRibs in the States.
Oh my God. Do you know
Even
why
in Spain, they call it quarter pounder and McRoyal with cheese. Like, I mean, it tastes even better and it sounds better.
And I also get an email every time about a week before they're going to release it out in the States.
Nice.
That's great. God, you know that the McRib was created because there was a surplus of pork back in the day, right?
Oh, yeah. And it's
I believe so, yeah.
great.
Yep. And the McDonald's brings back the McRib specifically when the pork prices go down, as well as they make the McRib feel very exclusive, you know, only releasing it certain times of the year. Because let's be real, if the McRib was offered as a daily item and daily choice, do you really think many people would be going to McDonald's and getting a McRib?
I would weigh 500 pounds.
Yeah, I hear. Good.
Like I actually love the McRib that much. Like, it is my favorite out of any restaurant in the world. I love the McRib.
So what's so good about the McRib to you?
Sauce.
I think that's what it is. The sauce and just the way it is and the way they put the onions on there.
Yep.
It's just a masterpiece of everything put on a bun.
All you need to do then is put cocaine on whatever you eat and you'll be just fine.
Sounds like we're going to lunch, Realtor.
Like God, I'm thinking about it. The McRib is literally just like a pork sponge. And you're talking not about the pork, but about the sauce and the onions, you feel?
Yeah, you know that. Yeah, we didn't mention the meat. We just mentioned everything else.
PLTR is taking off.
Is it?
Don't get my hopes up like that.
It's above upper VWAP.
What?
Give it 10 minutes and you'll be like, oh, it's at lower VWAP.
Probably.
I'm in 900 Ford. Or not Ford. Why did I say Ford? I'm in 900 AT&T for this free equity trade now.
Looks like it's going in the wrong direction.
Give her time.
AT&T or Palantir stuff?
AT&T. Doesn't look too good on the 5-minute.
Yeah, I was really hoping for that quick retracement bounce after that first dip down. And I just didn't make enough.
I think it'll pull back up.
Oh yeah, and worst comes to worst, I am down $40 right now on this position.
I went ahead and sold a CSP on Viacom instead of buying shares. What's up, Mike?
Hello, what's good? You called me?
You just roll out of that.
Almost.
XL and SOS are pumped.
God, yesterday was one of the worst days of all time for me school-wise.
Was that assignment really that much of hell, Mike?
Dude, it was awful.
I am so sorry that I couldn't help you with that. I looked at that, I'm like, yeah, I cannot help you.
Dude. Oh my god. I literally... It's because she assigned it basically over spring break, too, so no one did it. So, like, I did it all in one day.
That sounds like hell, man.
So, and then I had multiple other assignments, too, as well. So, yeah.
I don't envy you, dude. Like, it's bad enough that I have dreams about school. Well, nightmares about school.
That's funny.
And I'll, like, wake up in the middle of the night and be like, oh, shoot, I'm an adult now. Okay, we're good.
Yeah, that's happened to me literally once, man. And it was after graduation. I woke up and I was freaking out. I had a dream that I had a math exam that I didn't study for, nor did the homework. And then I woke up, I'm like, wait, I trade stocks now. So
God, can't wait till I can say that.
middle of May, bro. You got month and change.
Volunteer looks awesome. 5 minutes.
Yo, Eric, did I ever tell you about this, man?
No, dude, what the hell?
Oh, give me a second. I got an even better thing for you.
That's like Casey Moe every day.
Yo, Air, so disregard the scribbles on the right, but that square is where I lived, and that circle is where that guy got shot and killed.
Jeez, dude. That's Columbia.
Yeah, bro. I was like, man, I left Chicago, and Chicago came with me. Ooh, give me a second. I'm gonna call from institutional guy. Yeah, what's good? Ooh,
Yo,
give me
you
a
a
second. Give me a
second?
second. Give me a second. I'm streaming. Sorry about that. Much love.
Appreciate it.
But yeah, God, I'm waiting for AT&T to bounce back up. That'll be fun. Mike, you open any positions today?
Not yet. Probably will. Not sure on
Ended
what
up
though.
opening that Viacom CSP.
What about it?
I opened up a CSP instead of getting equity.
Today?
Yeah, but not as optimal as yesterday though.
Which one you get?
37.5 for May 21st.
Pretty good, pretty good. What do you get for it?
Buck.
$1?
Yeah, so kind of up on it right now.
Nice. Not bad, not bad.
I mean, looking at it, and then I think I talked to you the other day in spec, like nothing fundamentally is why this stock is down.
Yeah. That's what Spec was saying. PayPal's coming back up. PayPal, I feel like PayPal and like Square and all those could be a good buy.
Yo, Mike.
What's up?
I got a meeting in 2 hours, bro. I'm just letting you know.
Shit, alright. I think I have a class at 9, which is in 2 hours.
Yeah, rip. Oh well, it's fine. But yeah, just letting you know.
Alright.
Oh dang, DSAC is 998.
Wow. The down day? That's flat. That happens, bro, and fucking like Wall Street Bets takes over this thing can go to the moon.
I might buy some common now.
The amount of illiquidity DSAC has.
I wouldn't get common air. If you're gonna get common, might as well go arbitrage units and get your own common.
True. No, that makes. Yeah, but DSAC U is 1075 right now.
You go put in an order 1035. You'd be the highest bidder.
True. Problem is I'd have to buy a lot to make it worth it.
Yeah. How many would you want to buy though? Are you talking about just buying 100 common, or are you talking about buying a couple thousand common?
I was gonna buy 100 because I have a couple thousand warrants. I mean, I guess I could always put in an order for the warrants and leave it for a while and see what happens.
I don't think we're gonna get lucky and get warrants that cheap ever again, like that one day.
64 cents.
Yeah. God, I grabbed some for like what, 111 or 120.
Oh, I got them for $1 even. That was awesome.
How many did you grab for $1?
I only was able to get 200. It wouldn't fill me. I put in for a fill for 1,000.
That would have been a killer position.
I got some at 80.
I know, dude.
So I just wanted to test it out. DSAQ just filled for 998.
DSEC units filled for 998.
DSAQ, really?
Wait, 998? Alan, isn't that risk
Yeah.
free under 10?
Yeah, it did not fill for 998, bro.
Are you sure it's
Yeah.
DSAC, not DSAC?
DSAQ.
If you
Wow.
can get DSEC U for under $10, buy as many as you can because that's free money.
Hold on. 1075. I mean, I'll put in an order. How much should I buy? On like 100 at least?
DSEC units?
Yeah. At 9, under 10, basically.
Buy as many as you can, but you gotta buy at least 75.
Alright, I'm just throwing 100. And see, let's see if it even fills, first of all. Put in 999. I'll just leave that order in. No cigar yet.
Good morning, Bunny.
Booney?
Bunny.
Sound system.
How's the what did you have, Bunny? Laryngitis or something?
Yeah.
Better, good.
Oh, Timpo.
What up?
LATF is back to 4, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, where the fuck did all my money go? Oh.
I know, right? I'm like, why am I down $1,000 right now? And it's just that.
Everything went up today. I feel like it's gonna pull back. Damn, VIX is hella low. Dude, look at the 5-minute clouds on Apple. They're so damn thin. On everything, low-key, they're hella thin. Corsair, AMD.
AMD's one is sexy. Yo, Mike, check out T. What's your opinion on that, bro?
T. Today. Are you talking about for like a buy today?
Yeah, just as an intraday play, going back above
intraday?
31. Yeah.
Ooh.
They apparently have a dividend ex-div tomorrow, so good chance they might just run back up and pop.
The X-Div is tomorrow.
That's what John said.
Now,
Let me
don't
see.
normally the stocks drop because what they had today in cash, they have to put out in dividends tomorrow, so their cash
Yep.
aspect is less?
But
Yeah,
what typically happens, though, is today it will go up the amount that it's going to go down tomorrow.
Gotcha.
So that's just the thought behind that a little bit, Mike, and just get out with free equity.
Under like 30, I don't think it's a bad buy here. It's not my favorite looking play, but
5-minute don't look.
it's like it has support ish around 30.90.
$15 looks like it's consolidating.
AMD's pushing. VIX is crushing. Bunny by Genus. Bunny, you make money on that? 29 plus 29. Not bad. Probably like plus 20 now. That little candle.
Whoa.
UTME up 700%. What?
Yeah, I don't need. I can't.
Holy shit, okay.
Wow.
Being wizard's clothing. They'll just show up looking like RuneScape characters.
Okay, Mike. That's a little bit rude.
What?
Were you insinuating showing up as a RuneScape character as an insult or as a meme?
Wait, she said wizard's clothing.
Because I'd
As
show up
RuneScape.
100% in some, like, what are those OG Fist of Guthix cloaks?
The OG?
You know what I'm talking about, right? Like the green mage combat robes?
Were they the cheap or expensive one?
The expensive version of those. It's the Fist of Guthix one, though.
You'd have to send me a pic.
I knew that Ellinger stuff for comic.
Freaking XL still.
Bunny, you sound like Mason. I'm just kidding.
Wow, Mike, I didn't know you were able to stoop so low.
Mike, do you remember the Druidic robes? That's what they're called.
Druidic, yeah.
I'd
Those
show up
were-
in that shit.
I think those were cheap.
Those were relatively cheap, but for like non-members robes, those were the most expensive, bro.
Oh, non-members?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
You think my broke ass got membership? Damn.
I never had membership. I thought you said you did.
Oh, I did when I got older, but when I was a kid.
When I was a kid, I did not have membership. So that's why I sucked at RuneScape and didn't really know much.
But that's half the fun, though.
It was so much fun still. I would do the dumbest shit. Like, I would just go to, like... I remember one time I just went out to the wilderness to try to get to... What is it? Clan Wars or something, and I got killed on the way there, and I lost literally everything I had.
Oh my god.
It was the worst day ever.
I remember the day my little brother came to me. He was crying. He wanted to quit RuneScape. He accidentally logged into a PvP world and got PK'd for his full adamant set.
Yeah, dude, I lost my full rune. The rune chainmail body that I just got because I couldn't even get the real plate because I wasn't a member.
Man, I remember my friends and I, we would wear full rune with a mithril plate.
Oh, God. Good old days.
Back when nobody had a care in life, you know? Before
Right.
our issues became issues.
Yeah. My issue is fucking not having a RuneScape membership.
Yeah, my issue is I have to get to the library so I can go use the internet to go play RuneScape with my friends.
Dude, yeah. Me and my friends during, like, what was it, like, 4th grade or something would always play during... We would play during, like, fucking... Forget when it was during school. I don't think it was, like, during lunch, but...
God, I remember we had, like, computer lab twice or 3 times a week. And all the kids would go in there, you know, we're supposed to go type on Microsoft Word and play the typing games and math games, but all the dudes just played RuneScape, all the girls just played Webkins.
Dude,
And do we
I
have
would
to leave the call
invest.
for you guys to have your moment?
I would invest in RuneScape if they went public, bro. That shit's expensive as hell for a game. Like, it's more expensive than like Call of Duty to play. Or like World of Warcraft. I've never played that, but I know it's expensive.
I was talking to my son about telling you guys about jumping through the maps in Counter-Strike. He's like, no, Dad, that's Call of Duty. I'm like, oh, okay.
Jumping through the maps?
Yeah, you could. There were weak spots in the maps where you could like jump on a rock and go underneath the map.
In
You-
COD or
in Call of Duty.
Counter-Strike?
No, Call of Duty.
Which Call of Duty?
Probably the first or second. I didn't get past any more than that. But you could run underneath the map and see the people above you and shoot them up through the ground.
Oh, yeah, I actually do remember that. I do. There was also
was time to do
elevators
that on
where you can
Battlefield,
like,
too.
where you can like go hella high above the map.
Yep, yep.
That was probably like COD 4 he was talking about. Day trading chinos. Baba's down. Whoa, Baba's getting a little bit low.